Congress Committee Mpcc has denounced the attack carried out by unknown miscreants at election campaign venue of INC candidate Dr. Bimol'S in Bishnupur district yesterday. The campaign was supposed to be held at Moirang Phaidinbam Laikai Mandap. Mpcc President K. Meghachandra and AICC in charge Girish Chodhankar visited Chief Electoral Officer CEO of Manipur office in Imphal today and drew the attention of the CEO to look into the situation. According to Mpcc, the CEO gave an assurance for further investigation. Speaking to media, AICC in charge Girish Chodhankar condemned the disruption after armed miscreants opened fire at the venue in an attempt to frighten the public. He further stated that people should decide and exercise their wisdom in free and fair manner to choose the right person as representative without fear or influence. He urged all to refrain from such acts in future. He also appealed to the CEO to initiate further steps for free and fair election.
The incident that happened yesterday at around 3:30 at Moirang, when we were addressing another interaction program at Kokta. So that time suddenly the firing happened by unknown persons. This is just to create a fear in the mind of voters. We know that the people have already decided to give a clear mandate to both the India Alliance candidate in the inner Manipur and outer Manipur. And there are certain elements which want these voters to keep away. We want to help the Election Commission of India to have free and fair elections. The CEO has assured us. We are also going to raise this issue at Delhi level also, because if there is no free and fair election, there is a fear in the mind of the voters. They will not come out and do the voting, and so the fairness of election will not be there.
President of Mpcc K. Meghachandra expressed discontentment over the disruption of public interaction with INC candidate Dr. Bimol'S, adding that such activities could not be tolerated and that no free and fair election could be held in future.
Mayumda akoi meeting se tawdo mi sani chahum khatang pulak pakanda imai ben singchida kihanba adagi nongwei blank fire tawraga meeting du thubai ba habetare adugi akoi yamna chawo public meeting through tawde akoi sumna yumda changaga interaction sakhang mai khang nabagi program ni aduda akanba nongmei ka khotpagi thabak tawbase kihanba se masi nungai taba aduna law and order se fajana maintain tawbidrabati vote hadaba kigani free and fair election se lai bangam boy aduna adugi democrat koi complaint tawbani